What if I told you that just a few months from now, you could be harvesting baskets of fresh vegetables from your own garden even if you've never grown a single plant before? Many people believe gardening is difficult, expensive, or only for experts. But the truth is that success in gardening often comes down to one simple decision: choosing the right plants. Some vegetables demand constant attention and perfect conditions. Others are incredibly forgiving. They grow quickly, tolerate mistakes, and reward even inexperienced gardeners with impressive harvests. In today's video, I'll show you 20 vegetables that are perfect for beginners. I'll explain exactly why they're easy to grow, how to plant them successfully, common mistakes to avoid, and the best ways to harvest them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vegetables to start with and how to set yourself up for gardening success. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more gardening, eco-living, and sustainable growing tips every week. Starting a garden can feel overwhelming. You walk into a garden center and see hundreds of seed packets, dozens of soil mixes, and endless gardening advice online. One expert tells you to water daily. Another says water once a week. One gardener recommends fertilizer. Another says never use fertilizer. For beginners, this information overload often leads to confusion and inaction. But here's the good news: you don't need to know everything to start gardening. You simply need a few reliable vegetables that are easy to grow and forgiving when mistakes happen. That's exactly what this list is about. As we go through each vegetable, I'll explain why it's beginner-friendly, how to plant it, what conditions it likes, common mistakes to avoid, harvesting tips, why it's worth growing. Let's begin with one of the easiest vegetables in the world. 1. Lettuce. Lettuce is often the first crop new gardeners grow successfully. One reason is speed. Many varieties are ready to harvest in just 4 to 6 weeks. Another reason is flexibility. You can grow lettuce in raised beds, containers, buckets, grow bags, window boxes, and even small balconies. Lettuce has relatively shallow roots, so it doesn't need deep soil. To plant lettuce, sprinkle seeds lightly over moist soil and cover them with a very thin layer of soil. Keep the soil consistently moist while seeds germinate. One of the greatest benefits of lettuce is the cut and come again method. Instead of harvesting the entire plant, harvest only the outer leaves. The center continues producing new leaves for weeks. Common mistake: allowing lettuce to dry out completely. Water stress often causes bitterness. Educational tip: lettuce grows best during cool weather because high temperatures encourage bolting, which means the plant begins producing flowers instead of leaves. 2. Radishes. If you're impatient, radishes are your best friend. Some varieties mature in as little as 3 weeks. That means you can see results faster than almost any other vegetable. Radishes are root crops, meaning the edible portion grows underground. Because of this, loose soil is important. Hard soil can prevent roots from developing properly. Plant seeds directly in the garden because radishes don't like transplanting. Water regularly to maintain even growth. One of the most fascinating things about radishes is how quickly they teach gardening lessons. You learn spacing, watering, soil preparation, and harvesting in less than a month. Common mistake: crowding plants together. Without enough space, roots remain small and underdeveloped. 3. Spinach. Spinach is nutritious, productive, and surprisingly easy to grow. Unlike many summer vegetables, spinach prefers cool temperatures. This makes it an excellent spring and fall crop. Spinach grows quickly and provides multiple harvests. Harvest outer leaves first and allow younger leaves to continue growing. Spinach contains vitamins A, C, and K, along with iron and antioxidants. Because spinach grows relatively fast, it's ideal for beginner gardeners seeking quick rewards. Common mistake: growing spinach during intense summer heat. Heat causes spinach to bolt and become less productive. 4. Green onions. Green onions may be the easiest edible plant you can grow. In fact, you can start without seeds. Take the white root ends from store-bought green onions and place them in water. Within days, new green growth appears. This simple project teaches beginners an important gardening lesson: plants naturally want to grow. Once roots are established, green onions require very little maintenance. They can also be transplanted into containers or garden beds. Harvest only what you need and allow the rest to continue growing. 5. Zucchini. Zucchini is famous among gardeners for one thing: productivity. Many beginners are shocked by how much food a single zucchini plant can produce. One healthy plant often provides enough zucchini for an entire family. Zucchini grows quickly during warm weather and develops large leaves that shade the soil. Those large leaves help conserve moisture and reduce weeds. Common mistake: planting too many plants. Many experienced gardeners only grow 1 or 2 zucchini plants because production is so high. 6. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are one of the most rewarding crops in any garden. Unlike large tomatoes, cherry tomatoes tend to be more forgiving and productive. They grow well in containers and small spaces. Their fruits develop quickly and continuously throughout the growing season. Provide support using cages, stakes, or trellises. Good support improves airflow and reduces disease problems. Common mistake: inconsistent watering. This often causes fruit cracking. 7. Peppers. Peppers require patience at first but reward gardeners with abundant harvests later. They love warmth and sunshine. Peppers come in countless varieties, including sweet peppers, bell peppers, banana peppers, and hot peppers. One reason peppers are beginner-friendly is that they require relatively little maintenance once established. Common mistake: overwatering. Peppers dislike soggy roots. 8. Carrots. Carrots teach patience. Unlike leafy greens, the reward develops underground. The secret to growing beautiful carrots is loose, stone-free soil. Roots need room to expand. Carrots also tolerate cooler temperatures and can be planted early in the season. Common mistake: rocky soil causes twisted roots. 9. Basil. Basil is one of the easiest herbs for beginners. It grows rapidly and becomes more productive when harvested correctly. Every time you prune basil above a leaf node, the plant branches and produces even more leaves. This creates a bushier and healthier plant. Common mistake: allowing flowers to develop too early. Pinch flowers off to encourage leaf production. 10. Potatoes. Potatoes are one of the most exciting vegetables to harvest because the treasure remains hidden underground. You can grow potatoes in grow bags, buckets, raised beds, traditional gardens as plants grow, add more soil around stems. This technique increases production. Harvest day feels like a treasure hunt because you never know exactly how many potatoes you'll uncover. 11. Kale. Hardy, nutritious, frost-tolerant, and productive for months. Harvest outer leaves continuously while the center keeps growing. 12. Arugula. Fast-growing leafy green with a peppery flavor. Often ready within 3 to 4 weeks and excellent for salads. 13. Cucumbers. Fast-growing climbing plants that produce heavily when grown vertically. Harvest regularly for best production. 14. Green beans. Low maintenance and highly productive. The more beans you harvest, the more the plants produce. 15. Swiss chard. Extremely forgiving and tolerant of heat. Produces colorful leaves for months. 16. Mint. One of the easiest herbs to grow. Best grown in containers because it spreads aggressively. 17. Beets. Provide 2 harvests from one plant, nutritious leaves and flavorful roots. 18. Peas. Excellent cool season crop. Climbs naturally and helps improve soil fertility. 19. Parsley. Slow to start but productive for a very long time. Great for beginner herb gardens. 20. Mustard greens. Quick-growing leafy vegetable with spicy flavor and excellent productivity. Master beginner tips: the vegetables we've discussed are easy to grow, but success still depends on a few key principles. First, start small. Many beginners fail because they try to grow everything at once. Second, focus on healthy soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of every successful garden. Third, water consistently. Plants prefer regular watering rather than extreme cycles of drought and flooding. Fourth, observe your garden daily. 5 minutes of observation can prevent major problems later. Finally, don't fear mistakes. Every experienced gardener has killed plants, lost crops, and learned lessons through failure. Mistakes are part of the gardening journey. If you're enjoying this guide, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the channel reach more people who want to learn how to grow their own food. You don't need a large backyard. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need years of experience. You simply need to start. Choose 2 or 3 vegetables from today's list and begin your gardening journey this week. Comment below and tell me which vegetable you're planning to grow first. If you found value in this video, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to start gardening. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next gardening adventure.